Hello, it's Laurel again. Laurel Card Latin Dance at Urban Movement Arts in Philadelphia with the mom edit. All right, we just put together a combo in the last video. Check it out. Now we're going to dance it. This is a 4-minute song. We are going to try to get in as many runs as we can. We'll put 1 to 2 basics in between the sets. I will throw my arms up. That's your 5, 6, 7, 8. That means we're starting on the next one. So I'm giving you 4 counts, which is normally, it's going to be the last half of your basic. And then you know that you're starting. It's going to feel fast. Your ands are going to feel really fast, your half beats, but fun. And just enjoy yourself. And if you mess up, like somebody I know does, who cares? Just do your basic, just have fun, just move, because that's the point. Meet me back here next week for more videos, including the new Bachata partnering series that's coming out that you can learn partnering with your partner at home. All right, let's go.
Oye mami, llegué, Kiko Rodríguez, con los claveles míos. Ese verde de tus ojos, mami, en el mundo no aparece, ay Dios. Ese verde de tus ojos, ay, en el mundo no aparece, ay Dios. Cuando tú miras a los hombres, mami, de uno lo compromete, ay Dios. Mami mía, ven, te quiero ver, ay sí, ven, te quiero ver, ay Dios, ven, te quiero ver, ay sí. El verde de tus ojitos, mami, sola lo refleja el mar. Ese verde de tus ojos, ay, sola lo refleja el mar. Y en mi vida se reflejan, ay, y así me inspiro a cantar, ay Dios. Mami mía, ven, te quiero ver, ay sí, ven, te quiero ver, ay Dios, ven, te quiero ver, ay sí. Óyelo ahí, mami, si a lo corre quinto loco, átalo. Tus labios son 2 corales, mami, de marca muy registrada, ay Dios. Tus labios son 2 corales, ay, de marca muy registrada, ay Dios. Que aunque la busque en el cielo, ay, te juro que no la vaya, ay Dios. Mami mía, ven, te quiero ver, ay sí, ven, te quiero ver, ay Dios, ven, te quiero ver, ay sí. Óyelo ahí, mami, esos labios no aparecen en todas partes. Al mirar tus lindos labios, mami, que yo no puedo besar, ay Dios. Al mirar tus lindos labios, ay, que era